Hello everyone, and welcome back to another In the Kitchen recipe. Today I'm going to share with you how to make Mississippi chicken, very similar to the Mississippi roast. You're going to need chicken breast, at least 1 pound, a stick of butter, a ranch packet, and chicken gravy packet. Of course you're going to need your slow cooker. I already have my crock sprayed with non-stick spray. I always do this no matter what is going in there. It does make for easier cleanup. Let's get started. First, you're going to put your chicken, ranch pack, chicken gravy pack, and 1 full stick of butter. 8 tablespoons. And like the Mississippi roast, you also have the option to add the pepperoncinis. I'm not going to do that. No one in my household wants to eat pepperoncinis, so we're making the Mississippi chicken as so. And I love that you can dump everything in the crock pot and forget about it for a few hours. And we're going to cook this on high in our slow cooker for 4 hours. If you want to do it on the low setting, you will cook this 6 to 8 hours. Let's forget about it for 4 hours. 4 hours later, here's what our chicken is looking like. Looks delicious, smells delicious, the chicken came out tender. Forget to check the cards and the description box for additional links such as In the Kitchen playlist, What's for Dinner, and more. Thank you so very much for watching. I hope you will try the recipe out for yourselves, and in the description box you're going to find details on whether or not we enjoyed the recipe and if I would do anything differently next time I fix the recipe. And thank you guys so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more recipes like these.